everyone, it's your maths class, unit number 3, exercise 3A. In previous classes we done question number 1 and 2 with examples. Today we start exercise 3A, question number 3. Question number 3 is subtract the following. In base 8 system, base 5 system, in base 2 system, we subtract. Now the first part, 5, 5, 4, base 8, subtract 121, base 8. Okay? So we subtract in base 8 system. 554 subtract 121. Put subtract sign, base is given, so base 8, put base 8, 4 minus 1. Simple subtract. After subtract, if we have 8 or greater than 8, so we convert into base 8 system. After subtract, if we get less than 8, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we as it is copy down. 4 minus 1, 3 is left, as it is copy. 5 minus 2, 3 is left, as it is copy. 5 minus 1, 4 is left, as it is copy down. Okay, but put the base 8, it necessary. Okay, answer of first part A. Second part B, 4, 3, 1, 3, base 5, subtract 103, 1, bracket close, base 5. Okay, in base 5 system we subtract 4, 3, 1, 3, base 5, 1, 0, 3, 1, base 5, put subtract sign. 3 minus 1, 2 is left. 2, 1 minus 3, it's not possible, so cut 3, 2 is left. Take 1 borrow. Okay, we write over here 1 borrow. In base 5 system, 1 borrow is equal to 5. Okay, so over here it means, just keep in your mind, over here we have not 1, we have 5 in base 5 system. Rough work, 1 borrow is equal to 5, then plus this one, 1, it's 6. It means over here we have 6. 6 minus 3, 3 is left. 2 minus 0, 2 is left. 4 minus 1, 3 is left. Put base 5. Correct? In base 5 system, 1 borrow is equal to 5. So 3 minus 1, simple 2 is left. 1 minus 3, it's not possible. So cut 3, 2 is left. We take 1 borrow. 1 borrow is equal to 5. 5 plus 1, 6. It means over here we have 6. 6 minus 3, 3 is left. 2 minus 0, 2 is left. 4 minus 1, 3 is left. Put base. 3, 2, 3, 2 would be the answer of second part B1. Subtract in base 2 system. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, base 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In base 2 system we use only 2 digit 1 and 0, 1 and 0, not 2 or not greater than 2. After add or subtract, if we get 2 or greater than 2, so we convert into base 2 system. Okay. 0 minus 1, it's not possible, so we take borrow. So we have 0 0, so cut this one, 0 is left, take 1 borrow. Okay, 1 borrow is equal to 1 borrow is equal to 2 in base 2 system. Okay, just keep in your mind, over here we have 2. Okay, we have 2. 1 borrow, we take 1 borrow. 1 borrow is equal to 2. Okay, so cut this 2, 1 is left. Take 1 borrow. Okay, again we have 1 borrow is equal to 2. Cut 2, 1 is left. Take 1 borrow. It means over here we have 2. 1 borrow is equal to 2. So 2 minus 1, 1 is left. 1 minus 0, 1 is left. 1 minus 1, 0 is left. 0 minus 1, it's not possible. Again we take borrow, cut 1, 0 is left. Take 1 borrow over here. It means this 1 borrow is equal to 2. Okay, it means over here we have 2. 1 borrow is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1 is left. 0 minus 1, it's not possible. Again cut 1, 0 is left. Take 1 borrow. 1 borrow is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 is left. Now we have 0, so cut this one. 0 is left. Take 1 borrow. 1 borrow is equal to 2. Cut this 2. 1 is left. Take 1 borrow. It means over here we have 2. Cut 2. 1 is left. Take 1 borrow. This 1 borrow is equal to 2. So 2 minus 1, 1 is left. 1 minus 1, 0 is left. 1 as it is, copy down, or the last digit 0. It's up to you. Copy as it is 0 or not. Okay, it's not necessary this 0 copy down. It's up to you. The last digit, this one is 0. It's up to you, copy or not. So 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 would be the answer of third part. Then all 3 parts. It's your fair work. Copy all 3 parts in your arithmetic register. Thank you so much.